Hello YouTube. Alright, it's kind of set. It'll give me the structure I need to do the next bit. Well, later bits. And I fancy it all up. I got some garden twine here. Garden twine? Outdoor garden twine. I'm going to do something that should strengthen up the top quite significantly. Now, get a very sharp knife out, cut the end. I'm hoping this will work. A little bit of glue just in there, just a little bit, and I'll put the end in the glue. Let it set. I've got glue all over my fingers anyway. Once in place, I'm going to take it round. I'm going to start crossing it. Up and round and down. Up and round and down. So you can see that I'm strengthening the whole T-cross. Try and do as much as possible. Over. Round. Also covering up that bolt on the top. Turn the thing around. Put it in that little gap there. Let's take a glue, pop it in, there we go, in there, do a little bit on the top, and just basically just use some glue to strengthen it up. It doesn't really matter about mess. See the used up all my glue. So that's that bit done. Now we're going to do around the top. Glue here. Oh, we've got some in this one. This is cheap glue that I get from the pound shop and get it by the packet. It's loads. Next, I bought a big packet of it for about £1. There we go. Wilco. Wilco, yay. I've got to go to Wilco at the weekends. And just let it soak in. And then what we're doing, we're losing our string. We're going to go round and round. So, well, get some glue. It in there. Hold it too tight there. And push it on. There we go. Put some glue around here. Will this work? There we go. Go round, let it go on the floor. I'm going to do up and down, so we're going to go down and then we'll go up again. It off there. There we go. Where's my glue? There it is. it up. Put it into place. I'll do. It's smoking. Yes, I've used a lot of glue. Well, that'll do. I'll let that go off, and you can see where I'm going with it. That's that bit done. There we go. A little bit more strength there. Just need to clean off all these little bits, which are easy to do. Still going off, so there's a bit that's been missed. Floppy bit. I'll get some resin and clean that up, and I'll probably put some resin on this bit as well. Anyway, take care, stay safe. Goodbye, YouTube.